Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you improve your English language by studying a little bit at home. I will talk about this, so please stay with me in this video, watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which is discussed in this video. Actually, learning English is a passion all over the world, in all countries. People are willing to learn this language. But when they try to learn this language, they sometimes face some kind of problems because they don't have any kind of specific rules and regulation. With the help of those rules, they can improve English language in a good way, in good manner. So I think that studying a little bit on daily basis while staying at home is much better than studying a lot of things, a lot of vocabulary on daily basis. If you will put a pressure on your mind on daily basis that you are learning a lot of stuff, you are studying a lot of vocabulary, you are filling your vocabulary with a lot of difficult words, this will be a great problem for you and you will forget everything in no time. Instead of studying a lot of stuff, if you study a little bit on daily basis, such as you can study for 20 or 30 minutes on daily basis. If you make this kind of routine, I think that this routine will help you a lot than studying difficult things on high level. So I suggest you that if you are willing to improve English language, then study at home. Study for 20 or 30 minutes on daily basis. You can study all things. You can set a time for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes. You can study. I think that reading. You can then listen the podcast. Then you can improve your writing skill. So on daily basis, if you give a little time to each segment, such as reading, writing, listening and then speaking, I think that you will improve your English language very soon. Otherwise, putting pressure on your mind that you will improve English language very soon and you will imbibe everything, each and everything about English language very soon, then I think this will be very difficult for you. So study a little on daily basis, and when you listen podcast, I think that you should listen those podcasts such as download some kind of podcasts and listen them regularly for 1 week. When you would listen them for 1 week again and again, then they will be the part of your memory. After listening those podcasts for a week, I think that then you should replace those podcasts with new ones. Then repeat the same exercise again and listen those podcasts for a week. Then you can repeat this exercise for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months. In this way, when you would listen new podcast after 1 week, they will add more vocabulary, more new sentences in your memory. In this way, you will fill your memory and you will memorize them in short time. Such as when you will listen the same podcast for a week, then I think the sentences which were spoken in that podcast will be the part of your memory. When you replace them after 1 week, then new sentences would come in front of you and you would learn new sentences. So do this for a long time. In this way, you will improve your English language. Then I think that you should, if you are living in a English speaking country, then select some time for you, go out and listen other people, those are native English language speakers, while they were doing conversation with each others. Listen them. They may doing their work, they may doing the shopping, any kind of work they are doing while talking with each others. You try to listen them and imbibe the things. In the beginning, you would not understand what they are speaking, but you will develop a habit of listening. And in this way, after this, then try to speak some sentences. When you will speak, I think the speaking is very important. After listening, if you don't speak, you will not improve your English language. For spoken English, I think it is a must to speak the language. Some people, as I told you in some of my other videos, that some people have good quality of listening. When they listen, they can understand what other person is saying. When they are reading any kind of article, they can understand what is written in that article. When they write, they can write very good English, because when they write, they have the time to think. They think and write down whatever comes in their mind. So when you try to speak, you fail. Why you fail? The reason is only one, that you don't try to speak. You don't do the exercise. For speaking, you will have to open your mouth, you will have to do the exercise. Without doing exercise, I think it is much difficult for you to learn the English language. So as I told you that some people are master in reading, writing and listening, but they are not master in speaking, because they have good vocabulary. They have lot of words in their mind, in memory, but they cannot put those words into sentences, because they lack the practice of speaking. You know that some people, while speaking, they stuck. Why they stuck? Because they forget the words, that which specific or proper word they should put in these sentences to complete these sentences. So I think instead of stucking during the conversation, you should use the resembling word there. Resembling word, that if you don't know the English of specific word, then you can use the very matching words or resembling word there, that other can understand what you are willing to say. So if you don't know any resembling word, then you can elaborate those things with the examples. You can say in different way, so that the other can guess that what you are willing to say. In this way, I think that you can improve English language. Some people have the habit when they are beginner, that they were trying to search the correct word. Sometimes we don't find the correct word while speaking. We will have to put the resembling words there. So use resembling word. Main motive of your speaking, that you are sending your message, you are making other people understand whatever you are saying. And if others are understanding your speech or your dialogues, then it's okay, that you are good in communication. Communication means that sending your views, your ideas to others. Otherwise, when it comes to spoken English, sometimes non-native people make mistakes. I think it's okay. Making the mistake is don't feel shy while making the mistakes, because when you will make the mistake, after that you will correct yourself. Otherwise, sometimes the native speakers also make mistakes. They speak very fast. They understand that others would not understand them. Those are non-native. So they use the subtitles in their videos you have ever seen. So you can also, when you are willing to improve English language, you can also record videos. Then you can listen those videos. You can check your confidence. Confidence is very important for speaking English language. Some people have a lot of vocabulary in their mind, but they lack the confidence, and due to this problem, they are not able to speak good English language. And some people don't have any too much vocabulary, but they are too much confident that they can speak in front of the masses. So if you are willing to speak a good English language, you will have to show your confidence, your courage to speak the English language. If you are worried about the mistakes always, then you can't speak the English language. For speaking the English language, I think that devotion and confidence is required. With confidence, consistent hard work is also required. As I told you that if you do hard work, if you do exercise a little bit at home on daily basis, then one day you will be able to speak very good and fluent English language. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik. In next video I will talk about some other subjects. Till then, allow me, you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.